Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are addressing a common question. Can we connect XM to Tradingview? If we want to trade directly from Tradingview using our XM account, let's explore what is possible and discuss the best workaround. If we want to connect to a broker, we simply go to the trade panel and look for the broker we want to use. For this example, we try to find XM, but nothing appears. So here's the truth. XM does not currently support direct integration with Tradingview. This means we cannot connect XM inside Tradingview the way we can with some other brokers. But there is still a practical way to use both platforms together. Tradingview only supports direct broker connections with certain brokers, and XM is not on the list. So we will not see XM as an option inside Tradingview. This is not a setting issue. It is simply a platform limitation. What is the best workaround? We use Tradingview for charting and analysis, and XM for trade execution. Here's how we can do this. We analyze our charts in Tradingview, and then use XM to execute our trades. This approach lets us benefit from Tradingview's powerful charting tools while still trading on XM. To do this, we go to Tradingview for all our charting and then place our trades manually on XM. This way, we get the best of both worlds. We can take our time to study the charts, use indicators, and plan our trades in Tradingview, then switch to XM to enter our orders. You might see third-party tools that claim to connect Tradingview to XM. We need to be careful with these. Such tools can be risky, unreliable, and may even violate broker policies. Sometimes they may not work as promised, or they could put our account at risk. We do not recommend using them unless we fully understand the risks involved. It is safer to stick with the official platforms and follow their guidelines. To summarize, there is no direct connection between XM and Tradingview. However, we can still use Tradingview for analysis and place trades manually on XM. This method is simple, safe, and gives us flexibility. Thanks for watching.